All right, this is going to be the freight elevator at 24 Greenway Plaza in Houston, Texas with Alex McFerren.
Hello, and I got JimLiElevators. This is a 2019 annual retake. These are busy. So we might be waiting a bit. These are ThyssenKrupp. There's people on it, put the camera away.
All right, I'm going to step back so you can get through. Alex, watch out for this lady. She needs to get off. You got it, ma'am?
I don't know.
We're gonna go to 20. And when we get to 20, send it to 2A. Or do you want to go to 1 or 2A first?
Depends on how busy it is.
Okay.
Also, tune in for the elevator shaft ride. I actually did an elevator shaft ride on this one, so tune in for that, and we'll get my cab view. There's Big Brother watching. Here's Alex.
Hello.
Here are your fixtures. Is 2A where we came on?
No, we got on that 4, but this one, the parking levels.
Oh, you might want to get back off where we started at. I think it's better. I
All right,
prefer it that way. This thing travels like 350 feet per minute as well.
Same as a low rise.
All right, here we are at 4. It's not that busy like I'd expect it to be.
Oh, yeah. All right, and there she goes. What's another ride, Jim?
The parking elevators.
Yeah.